Good afternoon friends. Today we are going to make a dinner from 1:30 p.m. today to 4:30. This is chole. I have given a gravy. Put some water in this. This is rice. This is going to be my dinner. You can notice closing the lid. हे बघा याच्यात तडका मारून ठेवला. You can see it is 1:30.
ये भात के
हाथ का रहा मौजी राइस. और आज बहुत धुंधला है. अब देखते हैं सोलर को हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. मेरे ख्याल से हुआ है.
Rice is ready.
Rice is ready.
So let's see. Chole is suspicious. Suspense. Main suspense is now the chole. The chole also is ready.
ये देखो गरम गरम. Thank you. जय श्री राम.
Jai Shri Ram.